Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to St. Michael's e-learning classes. My name is Francis, sir, and today we will be solving the fill in the blanks, question answers, etc. of chapter number 3 and chapter number 4 of social science for standard 4. So, we'll first of all begin with chapter number 3, My Country and Its Landscape. Let's begin. Question A. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. India is the second largest country in the world in terms of its size. Question number 2. Along with its neighboring countries, India it is located in South Asia. Question number 3. India has 28 states and 9 union territories. Question number 4. The summer and winter capitals of Jammu and Kashmir are Srinagar and Jammu respectively. Question number 5. Himalayan mountains is the highest mountain range in the world. Question B. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. How many union territories are there in India? So the answer is A, 9. Now where I have given a tick mark, my dear children, that is the correct answer for that respective question. So the answer for question number 1 is A, 9. Question number 2. How many states are there in India? The answer is C, 28. Question number 3. In which region is India located on the world map? The answer is A, South Asia. Question number 4. Name the water body along the eastern coast of India. The answer is B, Bay of Bengal. Question number 5. Which of these is a peninsula? So the answer is C, Peninsular Plateau. C. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. List the Indian states located along the coast of the Arabian Sea. So the answer is the Indian states located along the coast of the Arabian Sea are Gujarat, Daman and Diu, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Lakshadweep and Tamil Nadu. Question number 2. List the union territories of India and the capitals. So the answer is the union territory of India and the capitals are as follows. So the union territory is over here where my finger is pointing and the respective capitals over here. Number 1, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the capital is Port Blair. Number 2, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, the capital is Silvassa. Number 3, Lakshadweep, the capital is Kavarati. Number 4, Puducherry, the capital is Puducherry. Number 5, Ladakh, the capital is Leh. Number 6, Chandigarh, the capital is Chandigarh itself. Number 7, Daman and Diu, the capital is Daman. Number 8, NCT of Delhi, the capital is Delhi. And number 9, Jammu and Kashmir, the capital is Srinagar for summer and Jammu for winter. Let's see the next question. Question number 3. Name the 6 major physical divisions of India. Name the physical division in which your state lies. So the answer is the 6 major physical divisions of India are number 1, the Northern Mountains. Number 2, the Northern Plains. Number 3, the Great Indian Desert. Number 4, the Peninsular Plateau. Number 5, the Coastal Plains. And number 6, the Islands. Our state lies in the Peninsular Plateau. Let's see the next question. Name the countries that share the borders with India. So the answer is India shares its borders with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the west, in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan to the north and the northeast, and Myanmar and Bangladesh to the east. Let's see question number 5. Name the water bodies that surround peninsular India. So the answer is the water bodies that surround peninsular India are the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Now, my dear children, we will solve the fill in the blanks, question answers, etc. of chapter number 4. And the name of this chapter is the Northern Mountains and the Northern Plains. So let's begin. Question A. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The Himalayas is the highest mountain range and the Everest is the highest peak in the world. Question number 2. The lower Himalayas are also known as the Shivaliks. Question number 3. In North India, the lower range marks the end of the mountains and the beginning of the plains. Question number 4. The Ganga originates in the Gangotri glacier. Question number 5. The Satluj enters India at the Shipkila Pass. Question B. Choose the correct answers and fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The Himalaya extend. So in the bracket there are two options. Wherever I have given the tick mark, where my finger is pointing, that is the correct answer. So for question number 1, my dear children, the answer is 2400 km from east to west in India. Question number 2. A slow moving river of ice is called, the answer is glacier. Question number 3. The Kulu Valley and the Lahul Spiti Valley lie in the answer is Himachal. Question number 4. Royal Bengal tigers, that is the correct answer, reside in the Sundarbans and Great Indian rhinoceros in the marshes of Assam. Question number 5. The rivers, correct answer is Brahmaputra and dash, the correct answer is Satluj, originate in Tibet. C. Answer the following in brief. Question number 1. Arrange the 3 ranges of the Himalayas from north to south. So the answer is the 3 ranges of Himalayas from north to south are the Greater Himalayas, the Middle or Lesser Himalayas and the Outer Himalayas respectively. Question number 2. Name the famous tourist spots in the Greater and the Middle Himalayas each. So the answer is the famous tourist spots in the Greater Himalayas are Kanchenjunga and Nanda Devi, while for the Middle Himalayas are Shimla and Nainital. Question number 3. What is the extent of the northern plains? So the answer is the northern or Indo-Gangetic plains extend 3,200 km across east to west and are 240 to 320 km wide, spanning from Punjab in the west to parts of Assam in the east, covering states like Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Delhi. Question number 4. What is river basin? So the answer is a river basin is a large low-lying area watered by a river and its tributaries. Question 5. Why are northern plains important for India? So the answer is the northern plains are the largest and the most fertile plains in the world. So they are very important for India. Now question D. Answer the following in detail. Question 1. Where is terrace farming practiced in the Himalayas and why? So the answer is terrace farming is practiced in the Middle Himalayas. It is practiced because the mountains here are not as high as the temperatures are not as low as in the Himadri range. Question 2. Differentiate between the Greater Himalayas and Middle Himalayas. So the answer is the Greater Himalayas or Himadri is the northernmost and highest range of the Himalayas. The peaks are permanently covered with snow. The temperature remains very low throughout the year and cultivation is not possible at such a height. Thus, this area is not fit for human settlement. The Middle or Lesser Himalayas lies between the Himadri and the Shivalik ranges. The mountains here are not as high and the temperature are not as low as in the Himadri range. Now let's see question number 3. What is Terai? What are the crops grown in this region? So the answer is in North India, the lower range marks the end of the mountains and the beginning of the plains. In between them lies the Terai, which is a dense marshy land. Crops like rice, wheat and sugarcane are mainly cultivated here. Question number 4. State 5 reasons why Himalayas are important for us. So the answer is the 5 reasons as to why Himalayas are important for us are as follows. Point number 1, that is the first reason, the Himalayas acted as a natural barrier against foreign invaders in the past. Historically, it has prevented unfriendly arrivals and attacks from the other side of the mountains. Reason number 2, it forms a natural boundary between India and neighbors like China. Reason number 3, it protects our country from the cold winds of the north. Reason number 4, it prevents the rain-bearing winds from leaving the country. This results in heavy rainfall in India. Reason number 5, many valuable products like timber, resin, medicines, etc. are obtained from the forest in this mountain range. Question number 5, what is a delta? Question number 5 is, what is a delta? Describe the Ganga-Brahmaputra delta. So the answer is, a delta is an area of low, flat land shaped like a triangle where a river splits and spreads out into several branches before entering the sea. Along the river Brahmaputra, the Ganga forms the world's largest delta known as the Ganga-Brahmaputra delta. This region receives heavy rainfall and the fertile soil produced as a result of flooding is excellent for crops like rice and jute. Let's see question number 6. Why are the northern plains one of the most well populated regions of India? So the answer is the northern plains are one of the most well populated regions of India because they are extremely fertile and have a climate suitable for agriculture. They are suitable for large scale farming. It is easy to construct buildings on it. Most industries develop along the banks of rivers because of easy availability of water. People prefer to settle down here because of these reasons. So, my dear children, in this way, we have finished solving the question answers fill in the blanks of chapter number 3 and 4 of social science for standard 4. Thank you.